Yo, tampo ka na lang.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today we're going to school. Drive kayo with me. So freaking hot kasi papainit pa may sasakyan. I have school pero wala akong last subject. Supposed to be 5:30 pa week ko, but Saturday. Speaking, it's currently 11:14 AM. Sa school na lang mag-lunch kasi may gagawin pa kami physics project. So, subject ko lang talaga ngayon is practical research ko or INIM. Kaya nagdala din ako ng laptop kasi kailangan. So, here's my things. Nagamit ko ako sa likod kasi pupunta ako ng Baisa. I think hindi ko pa na-vlog yun. Pinapagawa ang bahay ulit dun sa Baisa where I grew up. So, yes. Right now, I'm here at school na. Sa gitna ulit ako where there's a lot of people na nakapark. Yung kailangan may magka-call pa sa'yo para makalabas yung tao. You know what I mean? Like, you need to put your number on the dashboard and then they'll call you para i-move yung car mo. So, I'm hoping wala pang umuwi until later. Hey, look at this, guys. Look. There's, yan, you can see, it's full parking. Yan na yan, hanggang dun sa baba. Full parking yan. So, it's really struggle kahit may sticker. So, yeah, I'm here sa school and I think I'll be back to you guys kapag bababa na ako. Papakita yung mukha mo sa vlog ko. Ang mga part. I mean, konti. Isang paper.
Tingnan mo yung binigay.
Hi guys, look at my pretty vlog. Hi guys, ito na ang serve. guys, so sobrang busy ko kanina. And mag-move lang ako ng sasakyan. Kasi merong may lalabas ata. Hindi pala ata, may lalabas talaga. So, I'm just gonna move with yung car. Park na lang din ako doon. Kasi may parking na doon. Yan. So, hindi na ako nakaharap. Parking na. Balik na tayo sa school, guys. Thank you kay Kuya Boss Chief. Nabait si Kuya, guys. Nakikita ko pa atin tayo. Balik na tayo. Balik na lang ako sa'yo pag-asa room na ako. Oh, yes.